Hey, what is up everyone? This is Henry here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a $20 membrane keyboard that I recently bought on Amazon. I did buy two, and I will be giving one away on my Twitch, which will be linked down below in the description. And I have this one, which I partially opened already, just so I don't have to make that hassle on camera. And I also have the Corsair K55 as kind of a high quality, high tier membrane keyboard. So let's open this up. Pouring this out. I'm gonna set the camera down real quick here to get this open. But yeah, like I said, I will be giving away one of these keyboards on my Twitch, so make sure you are following there. Both of these keyboards, I'm also giving away the Corsair K55, so make sure you're following that. Alright, and I currently have all of the wrapping off. And overall, it looks like a very nice keyboard. As you can see, this is a very cheap Npet G10 RGB gaming keyboard. I'm going to plug it into my computer right now so you can see the difference. And this is the Corsair K55 little typing test. This keyboard is definitely louder, so let's see how the typing test comes to best. So I'm going to plug this in real quick and let you guys see what it looks like. So currently I am using a Razer Chroma X Tournament Edition. This is my go-to keyboard. It has Razer green switches, which is very nice. So I'm going to unplug this real quick from the back. See, it's now unplugged. Now we'll be grabbing this keyboard out. And I will be plugging this keyboard in. I also did end up getting a new kind of a microphone on my phone, so it should be higher audio quality. Yeah, let me plug this in, give you guys a little test look at what it's supposed to look like. And that is actually very impressive. It does have RGB, I believe, but it is not like key per key RGB. So yeah, so overall I think this is a very good quality keyboard for $20. Like I said, I am giving one away. It's as good as basically you can get with membrane keyboards, and it's only $20 and you get the aesthetics of the RGB lighting. And it's also TKL, which is the 10 keyless version, which is also one of my favorite versions of this. So yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed this quick video. We'll be streaming later on, so yeah, check out my Twitch if you would like to win this keyboard or my Corsair K55 RGB memory keyboard as well. Yeah, as always, have a nice day.